See that one, friends? My calculation is a bit late, and we've got a lot of those healthy ripe bananas right there. Supposed to be I'll be harvesting this one next week, and time could not limit us to wait for that because, as you can see, a lot of ripe fingers right there. The first hand on top is almost turning all into yellow. Now it's time to do the harvest, and we have this monkey style so that we can safely uh, get all the fingers, all the bananas there without any damage. Now let's get started. Dear friends, behind the camera is my wife, and now I'll give you the details here in a bit. We have to put some steps in here that we can climb out there to the top of the banana, but during in the process we will do the time lapse so that we will not be eating a lot of memory. Everything is safe, man. And the next thing that we're going to do, we have to lower this bad boy. Okay. Oh, darling. I really take care of you, darling. 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 Man, we've got lots of ripe bananas right here. My wife can tell me now, Candy, I've got the first hand of this banana because they're all ripe and you cannot sell them anymore. Of course I do, darling. Come over here. Ito, paano mangyari putok ito? Friends, look at this. It's ripe on the plant. And it's all clean, no damage. It's class A. But we cannot send this one to clients because we have to eat this banana. Hello dear friends, good morning. It's an early morning here in Thailand. My wife took already the first hand of these harvests because almost of the fingers are turning yellow, and my wife just cooking some of those banana fingers there. And we have another 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 hands in here. All in all, we have 8 hands in one cluster, and the last hand is a little bit smaller than the rest of the hands. And this is how we do here in Thailand. In our backyard, we planted bananas, and of course, the most exciting time will be the time during the harvest. And thank you for watching, and hope that you will continue to support us in our journey to organic gardening. And I want to see you all in the next episode. See ya.